How to set ChatGPT as default assistant on Android. To set ChatGPT as a default assistant on Android, launch ChatGPT and tap the menu icon from the top left, and what you have to do is simply tap this profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. When we do that, you'll find all these various types of options over here. If you go to this general option here, you can change the language. And if you go to voice section, you can change the voice. But what if you want to use as default assistant? For that, come to the voice tab and scroll down to the bottom until you see this option called use as default assistant and simply turn this toggle on. Now currently the default assistant app is Google, but if you tap on it, you'll find the option to change the default assistant app to ChatGPT. Now another way to do this on your Android is by simply opening up settings and from settings going to the apps section, then selecting the option default apps from here and selecting digital assistant app. And as long as ChatGPT is installed, you'll find the option called ChatGPT, which you can tap on OK button to confirm it. This way you can set ChatGPT as the default assistant on your Android phone. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.